Lori Zachary with LA Thrift Junkie. How are you doing today? So I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. I go out and I go thrifting, I buy liquidations, I do all those things to find things to sell, and I am a clothing reseller. And I'm going to show you a box that I supplement once in a while for my business, and she is Amy Spencer, and the name of her business is GetDressed4Less. So I'll put that up on the screen so you guys can find her. This is $139, maybe $129, I can't remember, with shipping included. It's 18 to 20 pieces, and let me show you what I got, you guys. So the first thing that we pulled out is a super cute denim jacket. I love the pink collar, okay, it's a button here, and then we have like the ruffled neckline, super, super cute. It is a Talbot size large. So a Talbot size large little denim jacket. Okay, oh, this is silky. This feels wonderful. What do we have here? Ooh, I got one like this in pink, you guys. So this is a Chico 00, so I'm not sure what size that is. But look at this gorgeous, and it's a maxi dress. It's polyester, but it feels like silk, you guys. It has the elastic waistline. It is very long, so soft. This would be so dreamy to wear on a vacation. Let me show you guys. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Such a pretty dress. Like I said, in a size 00. I think that might be a small, but I'm not positive about that. Okay, what do we have here? Some little pajama bottoms. So this is Tabitha Webb sleepwear. Size extra small, brand new with tag. Look at those sweet little puppy dogs. Oh my goodness, it's puppy dogs like they're having a little party. Let me get it close so you guys can see. Isn't that adorable? So some brand new with tag sleepwear pajama pants. And I'll have to look up this brand. I have a feeling that it's going to be very nice. Okay, again, the name brand is Tabitha Webb. Okay, we have a white piece, Athleta. So a nice Athleta top, bright white with a scoop neck, kind of flares out a bit with a high-low curved hem. It feels very silky, very flowy, perfect for a summer day. You guys, this is a size large Athleta top. Okay, we have a really cute winter sweater. It's Loft, size medium. Let me see if this is a special fabric. Okay, no, it's just acrylic and some blended, but it's so soft. Look at how pretty it is. So it's very like pastel colors, but also like that bright neon green in there. The mock neckline, you guys, this is so soft and luxurious. Loft makes really good quality clothes. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, this is pretty. So this is Tommy Bahama. It's a size large. Look at this. Oh, the neckline, so cute. Little shift dress, or you could wear it as a tunic if you wanted to. Okay, so cute. A lot of times Tommy Bahama is linen, so I'm just double checking to see if it is, and it is. It's 50%, 2% linen. So absolutely perfect for a warm summer day in that beautiful collar. Okay, here we have some Under Armour little shorts. I don't know if this is like a sports team, like the Texas Longhorns, the Bulls, I don't know. And an extra small, so a little pair of extra small athletic shorts. Okay, this is a high-waisted skinny loft. So a high-waisted skinny loft, flat front, tapered leg, very, very good quality dress pants. Can't tell if they're navy blue or black until I get them in front of my good light. And again, it says it's a high-waist skinny. Okay, so a high-waist skinny has like the big, you know, the stretchy type of fabric inside, but it is a side zip and it has back pockets. Everybody's beginning to go back to work, so workwear is selling. Oh, this is pretty. What do we have here? Zara. Zara extra small, new with tag. Okay, let me get it here. Let me button it up. One more button. Oh, it doesn't have another button to button. Okay, so look, it is really, really cute. It doesn't come off as cute on camera as it is in person. Look at the little details here on the sleeve. So cute. Great big balloon poet sleeves. A V-neck, button up front. Does it unbutton all the way? Yes, so buttons all the way. So it's got hidden buttons on it. So pretty, such a pretty blue color. And it is an extra small, but it looks like it's oversized, which is typical of a lot of those brands. Oh, this is beautiful. So what are we? Chan Lin? I have no idea, you guys. I'm gonna have to look that up. I can't read what it says. It's a size small, but look at how pretty. This would be so pretty for a bridal wedding party or a honeymoon or just a super cute date night dress. Look at that crochet lace, all the details. That is stunning. It also has adjustable straps and it is a size small. And it feels like really high-end quality as well. Okay, what do we have here? Are these Athleta? Yeah, Athleta. I've sold these before. So a pair of Athleta leggings. I do believe they're like the crop style. It has some mesh details here in the back. Love the bright colors. It also has some reflective here on the back. And on the back here, it's got a zippered pocket. It's a size medium, and these are like new condition. Okay, we have some fun pants. Ann Taylor, denim or Devon fit, size 4. Look at this pretty spring colored pants. Look like they might be cropped or ankle length, tapered leg. They're like a really thick type of denim. You can like definitely go for workwear in those as well. Okay, what do we have here? Lululemon. So size 12 Lululemon even, and a jacket, you guys. Oh my goodness, that's gotta be good, right? So pull over type of shirt. I'll have to find the style for it. So we have the thumb holes on the sleeve. We have a zippered pocket on the back. That's unique, you guys. So in really good condition for being white, no stains whatsoever, and a great size. That's awesome. Okay. We have a blazer jacket and Lily Pulitzer. Yay. So actually have 2 of these. So I have a Lily Pulitzer hot pink blazer in a size small. It has the structured type of shoulder pads, which is very in fashion right now. We have the faux pockets. They may just need to be open. On the back, it's a little slit. So a Lily Pulitzer size small blazer jacket. Okay, we have a pair of jeans. DL 1961. I have to be honest, I had some of these in junior sizes and I couldn't give them away, but they are a very high-end expensive jean, and these are women's and they're probably more modern than what I had. So they're a red. Oh my God, I mean, you can feel the quality. They're very good, high quality. We have the raw hem. Okay, there they are. Let's see how well I can sell those, you guys. It could have been just because it was juniors or they was dated or whatever. So I knew when I found them it was a good brand. I was so excited, and they just sat and sat. Okay, so this is from Nordstrom. It is, I think it's Houston by Bordeaux, or I don't know how to say that word, but it's just a little like dolman type of kind of like a lagoon look style of top. It's navy blue. You see it has like that interesting seaming. Same thing on the back. You can feel the quality. What size are we? It's so little I can barely see. I think it says a size 4, but it feels like it's bigger than a size 4. Okay, we have a pair of shorts. So Caslon shorts, that's also a Nordstrom brand. Brand new with tag. Okay, so Caslon, Caslon. Boyfriend, size 27-inch waist. They have been $49. They came from Nordstrom Rack. We have a little Gymshark bralette. So I never find Gymshark in my area, so it must not be sold very often in the Indiana area. And a little purple bralette. And rag and bone, a little rag and bone, very soft, you guys, so soft. You know, you just know when you're a reseller, right? When you pick up items and it's good quality. So a little gray basic t-shirt and a size medium rag and bone. And we just have one more item. Okay. Okay, and this is, I think also Gymshark. Let me be sure of that. I think it is. I think that's their logo. And again, yeah, it is. It looks like a shark even. Yeah, so Gymshark leggings. So we got the wide waistband. Very good quality. Definitely cropped. Okay, little leggings. Perfect right now. We're getting ready to go into January when everybody wants to go to the gym again, right? All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to go and visit Amy at GetDressed4Less, and be sure to subscribe and like the video if you don't mind. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.